It's March 2025. Let's make a calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What day of the week is it today?
Great job! Today is Monday, March 17th, 2025.
Fill in the missing day and date.
Monday 17th. Great job!
Mark any special days this month. Choose a picture for your calendar.